Tuesday, March 6th. If you didn't get a chance to finish your plant data yesterday, work it in today. With the format of the lesson, I think you'll have plenty of opportunity to make that happen. We are almost done. Some of you have expressed your disappointment that we have to do it more and more and more. Hopefully you're starting to appreciate the degree of attention to detail and persistence it takes to be a good scientist. It is detail that matters. And maybe appreciate all the effort that others are putting in around the world to make these discoveries and do this kind of work for the benefit of all of us. Our outcomes still around diet and health and nutrition. In this case, we're moving on to the circulatory system, so we want you to be familiar with its main organ, the heart, and the connection between the circulatory system and how it bridges to other systems, why the heart's considered a double pump system. And you're going to get the chance to build and use models to represent that. Today, if Sound System Solutions or Sound Salmon Solutions isn't working with your class, you get to do that. If Sound Salmon Solutions is working with your class, and today that's 6th and 7th period, you'll be doing a macroinvertebrate water quality lesson with them, and that information will be done in a different screencast. So if you are doing the circulatory lessons, here is the plan. You're going to be giving 2 hand pumps, 2 cups, 2 rubber stoppers from our curriculum kit. And your challenges are to create a circulating system that continuously pumps blood to all parts of that system. And that's your first challenge. Your second challenge then is to take one of those pumps and one of those cups and set up just a pumping system that you can test how many pumps per minute you can do, or how many beats per minute, since we're thinking of the heart. How many squeezes can you do without a stopper in a minute? And then you're going to take the small hole stopper and place it in the end of the siphon pump, and you're going to see how many you can do in a minute with that. And then you're going to substitute in the large hole stopper and see how many you can do with that, and then compare those results to see what effect those stoppers and size holes have on the heart's ability to pump. We will follow up as to what that's all about tomorrow. And then there are some handouts, 14A through C, 14.1A through 14.C, which gives you a chance to model using labels and arrows what you learn from the activity. Tomorrow we'll come back and work on those some more in terms of identifying oxygenated, rich and poor blood areas, and apply that to what we did with our respiratory lessons.